creamy lemon chicken. Today, we're cooking up something seriously delicious. Let's start by preparing our ingredients. 2 large chicken breasts, sliced in half horizontally, or use 4 thin cutlets. Salt, black pepper to taste, half a cup of all-purpose flour for dredging, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons butter, 4 garlic cloves, minced, 1 cup chicken broth, low sodium, 3/4 cup, heavy cream, zest of 1 lemon, 1/4 cup freshly squeezed lemon juice, about 1-2 lemons, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, optional for a flavor kick, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, optional, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, optional for extra richness, fresh parsley or thyme for garnish. Here we go. Let's get started. From start to finish will take about 35 minutes. 1. Prep the chicken. Pat chicken dry, season with salt and pepper, then lightly dredge in flour on both sides. Shake off any excess. 2. Sear. In a large skillet over medium heat, heat olive oil and butter. Add the chicken and cook until golden and fully cooked through, about 5 minutes per side. Remove from the pan and set aside. 3. Make the sauce. In the same skillet, add the minced garlic and saute until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Pour in the chicken broth and stir to deglaze the pan, scraping up any brown bits. Stir in the heavy cream, lemon juice, lemon zest, Dijon mustard, if using, red pepper flakes, and Parmesan cheese, if using. Bring to a gentle simmer. 4. Combine. Return the cooked chicken to the pan. Simmer for 5 to 7 minutes until the sauce slightly thickens and the chicken is heated through. Top with fresh parsley or thyme and serve hot with mashed potatoes, pasta, rice, or crusty bread. Little tricks that make a big difference. For low carb, serve over cauliflower mash or sautéed greens. Want extra lemon flavor? Add lemon slices to the pan during simmering. For more tasty recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a bite. See you next time. Enjoy your meal